We begin with Tirsa Ortiz, and she's live in Alamogordo. And Tirsa, you just spoke with New Mexico officials. What did they tell you about the situation now?
That's right, Estella. I actually just got done speaking with Representative Vasquez and Congresswoman Melanie Stansberry. They held a briefing with New Mexico Governor Grisham on the current firefighting activities happening in Ruidoso. Now, one thing that Representative Vasquez did tell me was that this is going to be one of the more devastating fires that the village of Ruidoso has seen in history. It is incredibly difficult to battle at the moment. As you mentioned, 0% contained. Some other key points discussed will be the preservation of life. With 2 fatalities already, they are working to secure the village and prevent other homes from burning, making sure to evacuate everyone. Officials did say they are urging residents to get out while they can, especially with impending thunderstorms and the National Weather Service warning of flash flooding. In addition, fire investigators are working to determine the cause. However, it is dangerous as they are still battling those blazes. Congressman Vasquez said that they are setting up fire lines to protect the village of Ruidoso, but it will be millions of dollars in damages as Ruidoso is a tourist town. More than likely, the economy would be shut down as they are working to rebuild and get things back together. Now, he also did mention the amount of resources going into protecting the village as well as the surrounding area, which include federal, local, and state level resources. The National Guard has come to help. It is all hands on deck as everyone is putting their all into making sure that the blaze is extinguished, and representatives are making sure residents are out and safe, reunited with their loved ones. We'll continue to bring you more updates as we learn them, but for now, live in Alamogordo, Tirsa Ortiz, KTSM 9 News. Back to you, Estella.
Okay, Tirsa, thank you very much for that. And this is a live look at the village of Ruidoso. There are more than 200 personnel assisting with these fires. Around 8,000 people have been evacuated from the area already, as you already know. The village of Ruidoso continues to be under a mandatory evacuation